This Cybertruck owner shows how the whole truck is glued together and failing everywhere. The entire exoskeleton appears to be glued on. The doors are even rattling because internal structure has come unglued, with visible gaps and rattling doors due to adhesive breakdown, contradicting Tesla's claims of a robust stainless steel design. There's a noticeable gap between the panel and the underlying structure. The panel seems to be pulling away, indicating that the adhesive used to bond it to the frame has failed. This is evident from the separation and a slight amber-colored residue visible near the edge. The Cybertruck doesn't actually have a true exoskeleton, but rather a unibody structure with panels either glued or bolted on. Tesla's solution involves using a new adhesive that isn't susceptible to environmental embrittlement and adding a welded threaded metal stud for redundancy. This suggests that the adhesive seen in the video was likely the faulty type used in early Cybertruck production.